Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Marina here and today I'm going to share a super cute folio album I made for Rosie Studio. It's really so simple to make it and I do have a tutorial on my Instagram account to watch how you can make it too. You will find the link below in the description area. So this folio measures 15 by 15 centimeters with a 1.5 centimeters spine. And I decorated with a new release by Rosie Studio called North Pole Post. So here we have some dimensional embellishments. Here we have the poinsettia flowers. And here is the Christmas tree as well. Absolutely gorgeous Christmas bundle. Down here I added these glisten stickers in red and green color. And over here a cute puffy sticker. Here we have some die cuts from the collection and of course down here a sentiment. If you'd like to watch the full walkthrough of the North Pole Post collection, I will have a link below. Here is room for a small picture and here is a pretty typewriter. This opens like so and here we have a snow globe and of course room to add your pictures. Here I used two beautiful stickers from the sticker book that includes over 150 of amazing stickers, and over here there is a place for a large picture. These snowflakes are clear stickers. They are really so lovely. Here is room for pictures as well. The right section has the exact same construction with the left one. Look at this little deer, which is a dimensional sticker, how cute! Some chipboard embellishments here. Over here we have a cute little dog with the chipboard embellishments that says Santa's Little Helper. Here you can journal as well. And this is actually my favorite page. I absolutely love how this turned out. Pretty things you can keep on these pre-made envelopes that are included in the bundle. So you can have a 10% off discount on your purchase at rosiestudio.com using the coupon code Marina10. Here is also room to add your pictures. So guys, make sure to check my mini DIY on my Instagram account. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!